So guys, for today's video, we're going to make a do-it-yourself tie shirt. The materials we're going to use are plain white t-shirt, squeeze bottle, dye powder, gloves, and rubber bands. Our first step is we're going to pinch down the yellow portion and twist the spiral. Next is we're going to put a rubber band to hold the spiral. Make sure to put on gloves when using dye colors. Now we're going to pour dye on the silk. Next is we're going to put it in a plastic bag. Dry 24 hours. Here it is, then we're going to let it dry. Thanks for watching, guys.